The trick, 100 different things, I mean one has gotta stick. But how exactly do I pick?
Welcome sir. आज सुरेश ब्लगमा आज हामी चाहिँ छरछरे घुम्न जाँदैछु। हाम्रो रोमी साथी अङ्कल पछाडि आउँदैछ। अगाडि भन्नु
day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough. We'd hook up in my car, drive it so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, hoping when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on. Now I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I young, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just think that everything will show, yeah. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not anybody else. Nah, man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I young, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just looking at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. No, can't keep me down. Lost my thoughts, feel like I could drown. No, no, can't have it now. Buried so deep, I'm below the ground. I go where I hear the sound, all on my own, I can Here and now, unknown. So my heart pounds, cause I don't understand what happens now. Oh no, I'd rest in peace, leave behind a lesser me. Working hard to better me, looking back I'll never be. Let's go, recklessly, fighting to forget it's me. I feel inside it's best to win, but I just want to let the one that let me down. I'm looking at myself right now. The mirror nearly breaks itself. I'm screaming out cause I need help. And you're the one that let me down. I'm looking at myself right now. The mirror nearly breaks itself. I'm screaming out cause I need help. I tried to forget, you held me back soon as we met. You were always scared of what happens next. Unprepared so you feel regret, I'm upset cause I wasted time. I sat at the base when I should've climbed. I stopped with the chase and forgot the grind. I feel out of place, empty inside. You thought I'd never be, won't amount to anything. Had me doubting everything, you only knew a lesser me. You're now my enemy, wish you never met with me. Work until the death of me, so I become and you're the one that let me down. I'm looking at myself right now. The mirror nearly breaks itself. I'm screaming out cause I need help. And you're the one that let me down. I'm looking at myself right now. The mirror nearly breaks itself. I'm screaming out cause I need help. Growing up in Cali, yeah, you know I love the weather. Limelight hit 'em and you know I handle pressure. I do what I want, so I'm never saying never. I get what I want, so they call me go-getter. Yeah, I know he does it good, but you know I do it better. So misunderstood, if she wanted then I let her. Everybody knows if I want her then I get her. She gave me that look, yeah, she knows she thinks I'm clever. I don't think I do it good, no, I think I do it great. They would do it if they could, they can't do it so they hate. Everybody wanna look, but nobody wanna play. Stealing eyes like a crook while I put it on display. I don't do it by the book, no, I do my own thing. That's why every single hook got them singing like me. And I ain't in any rush, cause I'm finally getting paid. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah. Let's go. Catch me at the top, sipping shots of Patron. I will never stop till the road is my home. I'm about to pop, everybody's gonna know. When the beat drops, they be yelling B-ho. Girls in crop tops, drop tops at our shows. Mini skirts rock, got us all like whoa. All the pretty ladies lined up front row. Driving me crazy, I just wanna take them home. Got it on lock, yeah, you could call me pro. Parties on the blocks, make sure the girls know. Now it's getting hot up in here, oh no. Think Nelly had it right, better take off all your clothes. Future's looking bright, now I'm finally in the zone. 3 years of my life, I committed to the growth. Soldier boy, tell him #1 ringtone. I'm the reason people texting, cause they blowing up your phone. I don't think I do it good, no, I think I do it great. They would do it if they could, they can't do it so they hate. Everybody wanna look, but nobody wanna play. Stealing eyes like a crook while I put it on display. I don't do it by the book, no, I do my own thing. That's why every single hook got them singing like me. And I ain't in any rush, cause I'm finally getting paid. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah. The wind is blowing through her hair. We like to head out on the road. And you know we don't really care, cause we're just doing what we want. She likes it when I treat her good. She likes it when I treat her bad. She likes to travel all around. I'll take her everywhere and back. Yeah, oh, you fucking with the man, girl. You throw it right back, no, I like that. I'ma bite back, you know I've become a fan, girl. The way you throw back like a Kodak, girl, you own that. Cruise around without a plan, girl. We'll never go back, girl, you know that. You were so bad, let's just spend a couple grand, girl. You know you're fucking with the man, girl. Yeah. Oh, you could've been a good girl, but instead you chose a real world. Yeah, you've always been a savage. Oh, you've always been a bad chick. I don't care if you got issues. Daddy left, but I'm with you. So come with me and never look back. We're living life like a badass. Oh, you could've been a good girl, but instead you chose a real world. Yeah, you've always been a savage. Oh, you've always been a bad chick. I don't care if you got issues. Daddy left, but I'm with you. So come with me and never look back. We're living life like a badass. Cruising PCH with the top down, drop down, headed nowhere fast, never stop now, not now. We ain't slowing down, never knowing that. We just headed south, what it's all about, never had a doubt, yeah. She be sitting shotgun, she a hot one, in the hot sun, crop top on, I'ma hop on, every single day, head a different way, never stay in place, don't care what they say, we gon' do it anyway. Always by my side, oh we're living life right, every night we just drive by, cruising high life, we're alive, not just getting by, not just letting life pass right underneath the side, grab it real tight. Okay, every day is a new day in a new place, rent a new space, see a new face in a few days, move a new way to a new state, that's great, rent an estate for our next day. Oh, you could've been a good girl, but instead you chose a real world. Yeah, you've always been a savage. Oh, you've always been a bad chick. I don't care if you got issues. Daddy left, but I'm with you. So come with me, never look back. We're living life like a badass. Oh, you could've been a good girl, but instead you chose a real world. Yeah, you've always been a savage. Oh, you've always been a bad chick. I don't care if you got issues. Daddy left, but I'm with you. So come with me, never look back. We're living life like a badass. Taking it slow, it's something I don't. I jump and I hope, I grab on the rope, I climb and I go, I find something more, I wish you could know all the feelings that I have, but you live. And now I feel like I'm running from myself all the time. All these doubts keep on coming while I think that you're mine. And this pain can be numbing, I don't think I'll be alright. If you think that we're nothing, then I'm just wasting time. And why don't you just take me back again? I always wanted to be more than friends. I never wanted us to ever end. And why don't you just take me back again? I always wanted to be more than friends. I never wanted us to ever end again. The love's withers, there's no pictures. I forget her, don't regret her. Hope she feels better. I hurt her never, heart's deader. Hold her forever, I won't surrender, no center. My heart's leather, hope I feel better. Say the pain is just a part of the mind. I swear that I'm fine, I know that she used to be mine, but things change with time. I think I'm alright, my thoughts take my mind and twist like my spine. I look so alive.
हामी चाहिँ छरछरे झर्ना आइसक्यो है गाइस। छरछरे झर्ना भनेको यही हो। आमामा यस्तो खतरा छ कि है, वाटरफल भन्छ नि यसलाई। वाटरफल हो कि के फल हो हैन। अब यहाँ हेर्नु गाइस यस्तो छ है, माथि यस्तो दामी बा स्काई ब्लू स्काई व्हाइट के भन्छ है। यस्तो छ के फेरि बाटो त लास्टै खतम रहेछ यार। यता त बाटो त है यो काली नदी भनेको यही हो। चौतारा यहाँ हाम्रो स्टेसन यही हो आज। ल म चाहिँ यहाँ छु। ल छरछरे झर्ना पनि आइसक्यो। हामी चाहिँ यहाँ यो नारायणी नदीको कालीगण्डकी नदीको यो टप यो ढुङ्गामा आएको छ है हामी। अब यता चाहिँ यहाँ पछाडि ब्याक साइडमा झर्ना छ त्यो छारछारे झर्ना आयो बाफ्रे यस्तो छ है ढुङ्गा त फेरि यस्तो छ नि बा यहाँ लड्यो भने त खतरा देखिन्छ त आमा यस्तो छ कि अलि विचार गरेर हिँड्न पर्छ है यहाँ चाहिँ ओहो कस्तो खालको ढुङ्गा हो यो है टक्क यता चाहिँ काली नदी छ है काली नदी कस्तो निलो परेको यहाँ छरछरे झर्ना हो यो ओहो यस्तो छ यहाँ हाँ जाल घाप के बा जाम घाप के ल ए कसले हो यहाँ आएर बियर पनि खा रहेछ गाइस है तेरे आमामा ल गाइस बहुत थक गया मैं तो
Can I face this? Can I make it? I feel faithless, wish I could replace this. I need changes, I wanna be the greatest. So I will chase it, I will be contagious. Waking up